I'm Rachel Lewis. I'm a Skill Company crew apprentice and I'm trying to get into the locations department.
My name is Emily Newbold. I am part of the Skill Cymru apprenticeship and I do production and sustainability departments.
Helo, fy enw yw Mali Whitty. Rydw i'n gweithio fel apprentice gyda'r crew. Dwi'n gweithio yn yr adran celf.
Hi, my name is Rob Cairns. I'm currently on the locations department on Igolau Idiwr, second season of Igolau, Light in the Hall. My current position, I am locations trainee upon it.
My favourite experience so far was working on Mr. Burton. We filmed in a lot of locations where he grew up, where Richard Burton grew up. So anyone we would talk to, whether it was a local person who lived in a house next to where we're filming, they'd all have all of these stories to tell you, so you just get to listen and talk to these people who can offer a bit of a context as to sort of what it was like and why you're there, why you're filming, and yeah, just provide these really sort of insightful moments in his life. So you're sort of living the real thing, really. Yeah, so that's probably my favourite part so far.
From Gunpowder Siege, I was part of the locations team and just learning, it was a very independent production, so learning different things of like how things are worked, how the two ways work, how like the water and the electricity. I had to deal with the water then, which was obviously a production job, but we were moving that back and forth. But just learning about like, the jerry cans and how to make sure we've got enough fuel and how to fill that up, and then just learning all of that. And then for Gunpowder Siege as well, I was also the peacock wrangler. So I was making sure that the peacocks were quiet and fed. So I had to keep those occupied just to make sure that they were quiet during filming. So that was quite funny, but just being around animals I was happy with. And then I had to make sure I was looking after the horses as well to make sure that they had enough water. So I liked that. And then in Young Sherlock, I've loved that we've been able to donate hot food. So just being able to have the contacts of, I helped organise the people that we're giving them to, so just having that thanks when you were giving it to them. And that wasn't even the people that were eating the food, that was just the people that were working there, so I loved that as well.
Fy hoff profiad oedd gweithio gyda'r construction team a'r art director I gweld sut oedd y set yn dod I byw. Oedd rhaid I ni creu set ar gyfer stunt, felly oedd yn really cool I gweld y green screen a sut oedd y set yn mynd I gweithio trwy'r real SFX.
I'm a people pleaser, so when I've been when I've been working out and about on set, it's getting the trust and the appreciation from my superiors and other departments to show that I am doing a good job. It's a bit weird like that, because if I'm doing my job and working and getting nothing from it, like not a pat on the back or anything, I'm a bit weird like that of I need a reassurance to know what I'm doing. And if I'm getting a response from my superiors of you're doing a good job, you're all right, you're doing good, and other departments are noticing this as well, it just shows that I'm happy to be in this. It's showing that I'm making progress in my aim to be part of an industry that I love. Basically, and all the heads of department on one time having to be independently functioning on a set. So having control of a set and noticing, oh, things are going actually well, things are going good, I'm not panicking, I'm not having a hard time on set, and everything's running smoothly. So that's my favourite part of it, is actually achieving progress in this.